Hi, this is Jessica with New Mexico Real Estate Group Los Alamos, um, and I'm here today to interview Mandi George with Union Home Mortgage. How are you, Mandi?
I'm good. Thanks for having me, Jessica.
You're welcome. Thanks for agreeing to do this. So we're just going to get right into it so you can let people know how you can help them. First of all, what makes you stand out as a lender?
Well, I've been in the mortgage industry for a little over 30 years. So I've served various purposes. I've been in the back offices. I've done several jobs in it. So I do know the industry well. I'm truly a local lender. I have lived in White Rock for 30 plus years. So I have the advantage of knowing the area, knowing the market. I know our business partners. I have, realtors that I see every day. I see some of you at the grocery store or at church or socializing, and we build a relationship. We know the title companies, we know appraisers. So it's really nice because when we have that close of a relationship, we really work for each other and we don't ever want to disappoint. And so I think that it just makes all of us work a little bit harder for each other.
Right. Yeah. Those are all great points. Being local and being able to, have local appraisers and just having that personal connection and it just works really well. That's one of the things I love about working with you on things. So what can Union Home Mortgage offer for their clients? What do they have that's different?
So the nice thing about Union Home Mortgage, there's lots of nice things, but we are a mortgage company. It's strictly mortgages. Don't have any distractions of things like, asset accounts, checking, savings. We do mortgages and we do them well. That's our focus. Okay. We also keep those loans and service them. So, your loan stays with us. That's a big advantage to a lot of people. Okay. Probably the biggest thing we have a lot of products. We do conventional Fannie, Freddie, but then we also have VA, FHA. So we have almost any product you can think of. So what you're getting is the advantages of a large mortgage company, but you're getting the attention of a local lender. So it's kind of the best of both worlds.
Right. Oh, that's great. That means you can help a variety of people, which is good because everyone has a different situation in life. So it's nice that you can direct them and point them into all these different items that they can use.
Good. That's right.
So for someone who might be interested in purchasing a home and maybe it's their first time, can you go through a pre-qualification process and what they could expect?
Yeah, pre-quals are really important. They're important to you as a realtor. They're important to us. We all want to know so that there's no surprises down the road. So when a customer calls me, I really just take a few minutes to get to know them and really see what their needs are. A mortgage is a mortgage, but everyone has a different need and brings the personal aspect to it. So a pre-qual is going to be based on three things: credit, income, and assets. I have the conversation with the customer. What we do at that point, if we're feeling good about qualification, we go ahead and do an application. We pull credit. We are ready to just pull the trigger and make that offer. Okay. So I talk very closely to the customer. Sometimes, there's always questions about credit. Maybe they need to wait a while and improve their credit. Maybe the credit's not an issue. Maybe we talk about different sources of income. We talk about the debt to income and what their debts may be. Maybe for some, it's good to pay off some debt first. So we kind of find out what that person needs. I explain to them about the rate. We present a par rate, which is something that we offer at no additional cost. But then there's ways to buy that rate down if needed. So again, that depends on a customer's situation. If a person tells me, oh, this is my dream home, of course, we want to get the lowest rate we can. And I would, look into buying it down. If it's more of a short term, hey, let's just roll with it. And I can show you ways to save tens of thousands of dollars down the road. So I really try to customize it. I can get a pre-qual out quickly, usually same day, but I like to have a little time to get to know my borrower so that I can customize a plan just for them.
Right, right. Oh, that sounds great. That sounds like you can really help people when they call and ask questions and just lead them through. And I know on the realtor side, it's nice when they have a call because we know that the houses we're going to look at are something that they can have and they can afford, and they know ahead of time what they can look for, because sometimes it's
Exactly.
confusing. So
Yep.
great. Well, thank you so much today. And I think that hopefully we'll do this again and answer more questions, go in a little more depth about mortgages and what different things are, like FHA, conventional. Some people might need to know those things. So, all right, well, we'll see you later. And thank you for coming by on video.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.
All right.